The video is a geographical revenue forecast map for 2027 with red flags highlighting critical regions. Below is a detailed breakdown of the map's features. Key features of the map. 1. Title and labels. The title indicates that the map represents forecasted revenue 2027 in USD. The map is credited to Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 2. Map representation. The map is a dark-themed world map with different countries highlighted in varying shades of blue. The color gradient on the right, revenue scale, represents revenue in billion USD. Darker blue shades indicate higher revenue. Lighter blue shades indicate lower revenue. 3 highlighted countries, revenue impact. India appears in a dark blue shade, suggesting high forecasted revenue. United Kingdom, UK, and Germany have moderate revenue. United States, USA, is prominently highlighted with multiple red flags. 4 red flags, critical areas. Red flag icons indicate potential risks or concerns in specific locations. Flags appear in United States, multiple locations. United Kingdom, Germany, India. These could represent financial risks, operational challenges, or economic uncertainties. 5 color bar, revenue scale. Located on the right side of the video. The scale ranges from 800 billion US dollars, light blue, to over 1,600 billion US dollars, dark blue. India appears to have one of the highest forecasted revenues. Interpretation and insights. India and the USA are key revenue drivers for 2027, with high forecasted revenues. Red flags in the USA, UK, Germany, and India indicate potential business risks or challenges in these regions. This visualization is useful for decision makers to assess regional revenue potential while identifying risk zones. Thank you.